Jutuocnc CNC T6P. The entire machine features full enclosure protection. Equipment size has been upgraded, with height increased from 2200 mm to 2400 mm. Before the upgrade, the distance from the spindle end to the work table was 110 mm to 410 mm. After the upgrade, this distance has been increased to 180 mm to 500 mm, ensuring sufficient space for the installation and use of various 4-axis and 5-axis systems. The T6P can be optionally equipped with various 4-axis and 5-axis systems for versatile cutting. Standard configuration includes a 21T servo tool magazine with an arm-type changer for quick and precise tool changes, 30T optional. The machine features a high-speed direct-drive spindle from Taiwan, China, the BT30-20000R/Min spindle. It uses 28/28/32C3 grade precision ball screws from Hiwin or PMI, and the 3-axis linear guides use 30/30/30 roller guides from Hiwin or PMI, improving machining accuracy and stability. The machine's main electrical components are imported from the French brand Schneider, and the pneumatic components are imported from the Japanese brand SMC. Control systems from Fanuc and Mitsubishi are available. The entire machine is tested and qualified with high-precision instruments such as laser interferometers, ball bar testers, and dynamic balance instruments before leaving the factory. The Jutuocnc CNC T6P provides reliable CNC machining and auxiliary functions for customers. It offers better dynamic responsiveness, enabling high-speed, high-rigidity drilling, tapping, and cutting. It is mainly suitable for machining complex parts such as plates, discs, shafts, and housings. It is widely used in general industries, consumer electronics, automotive parts, medical devices, and other industries for the mass production of precision aluminum alloy and steel parts.